Hi everyone! If you're seeing the network request failed error on Instagram, it usually means there is a problem with your internet connection or the app itself. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue in just a few steps. The first thing you want to do is make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is with one of your networks. Next, update Instagram. Sometimes, an outdated version of the app can cause issues like this. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, check for updates, and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. If the problem persists, resetting your phone's network settings can help. Go to Settings, General, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this will also reset your Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, clear Instagram cache. For iPhone users, clearing the app's cache often fixes errors. Go to your phone settings, tap Apps, Apps again, Instagram, Storage, and select Clear Cache. If you're on an iPhone, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to reset everything. And that's it. Follow these steps to fix the network request failed error on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!